Guys, the biggest IPO in history just happened. SpaceX IPO valuation $1.75 trillion. I have mixed feelings about this. I honestly don't think it's going to be great for most investors. Hear me out. So, a lot of you guys are asking me, should I invest into SpaceX? The thing is, how much more room does this company have to go when it's IPOing at such a huge valuation, when on its listing day itself, it's already bigger than Meta, it's already in the top 10 biggest companies in the US. If you compare this to Google, for example, they IPO'd in 2004, I think, at a $23 billion valuation, and since then, the investors have made 100x. That is how early investors got rich, because they IPO'd at a pretty low valuation. For SpaceX to do the same, it has to go to a market cap of $175 trillion. Now, I don't want to say impossible, but that seems impossible because that's larger than the entire GDP of the whole world. The thing is, whether you want to invest into SpaceX or not, we might not really have a choice because it's going to be included into global ETFs like the S&P 500. So you're going to be forced to invest into this company. And it's not just SpaceX. AI companies like OpenAI, Anthropic, they're also probably going to IPO soon, and they're also probably going to IPO at massive valuations as well. Don't get me wrong though, I like these companies, I think they're real, they're legit, I use AI nearly every single day, but would I invest into Anthropic at a $1 billion or $1 trillion valuation? Probably not. The thing is, we won't really have a choice. So let me know what you guys think about this in the comments below. Would you still invest into SpaceX at these current prices?